Hey, Yokano Umor, Uleng, Uchiek, Nisauru Kamanu, welcome His Excellency William Ruto. Watu wangapi wamekaribisha His Excellency William? Nionyeshe hivi. Hivi. Bas leo we are here to launch this project, as you are all aware. And the minister will speak to all those issues. My task is brief. It is one, to thank the president for the work that is going on. He has launched this 1 billion project, but also we have the dredging around the lake going on. The NYS project has become a reality. How many of you are happy with the NYS project? So, Your Excellency, we thank you. The machines are on the ground, and we will see a reduction in flooding because of your deliberate action for the people of Kabonyo, Kanyagwal. Your Excellency, secondly, I want to thank you for releasing 8.36 billion out of the 385 billion to Kisumu County. Governor Nyong'o has received 8.36 billion this financial year. So my work is very basic, to do oversight. How many people want me to do oversight? Asanteni. Lastly, I will do the onerous task of introducing the members of parliament and leaders present at this meeting. Nitaanza na majority leader. Leo medium kubwa bana. Yeah. Majority leader Bwana Kimani Chungwa is in the house. How many of you welcome Kimani Chungwa?